We are going to be looking at how to find these vendors in Nigeria. If you want to start your e-commerce with buying from Nigerian vendors, how do you find these vendors and where do you find them? I'm also going to give you a list of over 50 contacts of different vendors. We have vendors that sell these things. They are trusted. There are people I've worked with, most of them. I'm going to be giving you this list. Another way you can also find these vendors online is by using Facebook. You can use Instagram. You can use Jiji app. You can use Jumia and all of that. Two ways to work with them is you can either do the local arbitrage, also known as drop shipping, whereby you just market the products when you get orders. When you get orders and sell at your own price, you give them these orders, they will deliver it, collect the money, and then send you your own profits. This method works perfectly with any of these vendors that you're going to have, and you can also decide to buy this product from them because they have it in large quantity, so they can sell to you at the wholesale price so that you'll be able to sell and make profits. So some of the platform where you can find these vendors is through Facebook ads. Some of them run ads to get wholesale buyers. You can get them on Instagram and different platform. But the most popular one that I'm going to recommend for you is Jiji app. When you go to Jiji app, you're going to find a lot of vendors, wholesalers, suppliers selling at a very good price that you can work with. So let's go to the Jiji app. When you come to the Jiji app, as you can see, Jiji.ng, you can also do this on Konga, on Jumia, and the rest of them. This is the Jiji web app. You can also download their app on your phone. It is the same thing. So if you come here, you can see variety of products, both used one and also new ones. You can find it here. Any kind of products you're looking for, they are right here. But there are some settings you need to put in place before you be able to shop. And the very first one is the location. Find anything in your location. This is the whole of Nigeria. Everything you're seeing here is found within different states in Nigeria. So you want to narrow it down to the particular state where you want to market your product or where you are. For example, if you're in Abuja, you want to narrow it down to Abuja or vendors in Abuja. Or if you're in Lagos, you want to click on this Nigeria. Then it's going to bring out all of these different locations in Nigeria. Then you want to choose your location. Say you're in Lagos, you choose Lagos. It's going to go further to narrow down to which particular area in Lagos are you interested in. Do you want in Aja or any of these other locations? So let's say we want to get vendors in Ikeja. You can see over 243 vendors have listed their items on Jiji. Different items, variety of items, anything you can think of. So we're going to click on Ikeja. Then everything you're seeing now is in Ikeja. But if you come down here, you're going to see variety of products. You can see phones, you can see cars, houses, whatever, any kind of thing you can think of. So you want to narrow it down to what you are searching for. And to do that, you just come back to this search, click on this search. Let's say we want to start selling watches. Then you just type in what you want to sell, watches. You can see the filter here. So you can just choose this first one or look at this one in watches. Click on any of them and it's going to bring up a filter. This is now where you are going to find those vendors you're looking for. You have everything you need here, but you need to apply some filters to be able to get you the best prices and the best products. When you come here, you're going to see that this is under fashion. Then when you scroll down a bit, you're going to see location. I think we've talked about location. It's still in Nigeria, but if you have a particular location where you want to buy from, then you may want to do it here. Already, you are seeing products here that is very cheap. Look at this set. If you sell this set, if you buy this set at this price and you resell for like 35K, that is a good deal. So this particular vendor is good. We can even still chat up this vendor and bargain for a lower price. You can see this smartwatch here is for 10,000. But here you can do your filtering. Just come to this price. You want to set that the watches you want to see here is going to be a minimum of 10,000 or even 8,000. Then the maximum you want to see is maybe 18,000. Good. Or instead of putting this maximum and minimum, you can just say, okay, I want to filter the watches to be the ones under 16,000, between 16 to 35, between 35 to 36. So alternatively, you can come to this sort by if you want to sort from the lowest to the highest. This is another way of doing it. So you just click on this sort by, then you want to see the ones with the lowest price, then to the highest prices. Then you just click on this lowest price. Then it's going to filter this thing and bring out the lowest one. You can see a watch being sold for as low as 900. These are kids watch anyway, but these are the lowest prices. As you begin to scroll down, you're going to see the price going up from 900 to 1000, from 1000 to 15, from 15 to 17, just like that. So if you're interested in selling kids smartwatch, or if you're interested in selling kids watches, then this is actually good. You can see different watches, different prices. Look at this one and all of that. So from here, you can select any of this vendor. Let's say you want to buy this particular one from this vendor, and then you want to buy it in bulk. You can just click on the image. Then it will take you to the seller's store where you have every information about this seller. So you can see this is the seller's name. This is show contacts. You can even start a chat with this seller. Then all of this information. So all the information you need about this product and the seller is here. You can buy from them, chat them up, you can even call them and all of that. Method, I've done business, I've posted my products here too, and I've got a lot of e-commerce vendors reaching out to me that they want to sell the product, and then we have a good deal and they begin to sell. When they get orders, it's sent to me, I deliver most of the times, and sometimes they buy it in bulk and all of that. So you can see, even have this watch as low as 4,000. So there are a variety of them. And this applies to every product, any kind of product you want to talk about, any kind of product you're looking for. All you need to do is just come here and do the same thing. Just search for it and you're going to find it. Then you can filter the price range you want. You can even come down to choose a particular brand. If you want just a Cartier watch, if you want just a Rolex watch, you can see all the products you're seeing here is now Cartier watches. This one is for 150K, this is for 300K, and so on. You can even come here to check for female products, male watches, and all that. Then look at it. All of this in, if you're looking for the analog display, digital display, depending on the kind of products you're searching for. So this is the best, one of the best ways to find products. You can also do this kind of search on Facebook. You can find vendors who are currently running ads to sell the particular products you're looking for. But on Jiji, you can always get vendors anytime, any day. Alternatively, you can use the list I am going to be giving you to find your vendors. Then the second method is through importation, like I've told you. Go through that importation section, you're going to see how you can import any kind of product from factories in China by yourself. When we get this product, how do we price this product? How do we know how much to sell it? Because we've seen the prices here. How do we know how much to sell this product? Can even search for Apple Watch. All these are Apple Watches, different kind of Apple Watches. Now you can see this particular vendor is selling this particular watch for 18,000. You can even go as low as getting, this person is selling for 25,000. Then the same watch, everything is the same. Look at this one for 35,000. So you can see that this person is a wholesaler, and you can even bargain with this person to get at a cheaper price if you're buying in bulk, of course. So you know how to contact the sellers and work with them. Now, the next thing is, how do we price these products? When we buy from these sellers or when we want to sell, how do we price it? How do we know how much to sell so that we'll be in profit at the end of the day? Because you're still going to pay for delivery, you're still going to run ads. How do you price your products to be in profit? Let's discuss that in the next video. So in the next video, we are going to be understanding how to price these products and always be in profit.